Hello, and welcome to the Chapter 11, Section 8 lesson on adding and subtracting radicals. Okay, so in this lesson, we're going to simplify the sums and differences of radicals. It's very similar to combining like terms, so you should feel very comfortable doing that. You should also feel comfortable breaking down radical expressions. No new words this time. Let's go ahead and start with some simplifying polynomials as our warm-up. Pause the video and restart when you're ready. I will start in 3, 2, 1. Here are the solutions. Now note that number 3 cannot be simplified because there are no like terms, which brings me to the heart of our lesson, how to combine radical expressions. Combining radical expressions is very similar to combining polynomials with like terms. It's important that the radicals are the same, just like we need the variables to be the same to combine like expressions. So for example, we can't combine 4x plus 5y because x and y are not like terms or like factors. So we can't do 4 root 2 plus 5 root 3 because again, root 2 and root 3 are not like factors. However, 4x plus 5x, we know we can add those together. Same idea with 4 root 3 plus 5 root 3. They both have a root 3, so we can combine them. It's also really important that before you start combining, you make sure that everything is simplified. Okay, so our first example is 4 radical 7 plus 5 radical 7. Now, this is pretty straightforward. We have a common factor of root 7, so we're just going to add our two coefficients, 4 and 5, to get 9 root 7, box it, and we are finished. For example 2, 3 root 6 minus 2 root 13 plus 5 root 6. Okay, so I can see right now that I have two like terms, 3 root 6 and 5 root 6. I'm going to bring those two together, add those coefficients to get 8 root 6 minus 2 root 13. Now, we actually can't do anything with that middle term, so we just leave it as is. And finally, example 3. So I'm looking at this example and I can clearly see I don't have anything that I combine right away. However, I have two things that can be simplified. 7 root 3 and 4 root 6 are completely simplified, but 2 radical 48 can be rewritten as 2 times 4 root 3, and 6 radical 54 can be written as 6 times 3 root 6. Okay, so now we're in good shape because all we need to do is 2 times 4 root 3 is 8 root 3, and 6 times 3 root 6 is 18 root 6. So now we can combine our like terms. I'm going to get 7 plus 8 radical 3 plus negative 4 minus 18 radical 6, and I'm all set. All right, so what's one thing that you should remember before combining radical expressions? Hint, hint, simplify. I'll see you in the next one, guys.